Discharger. Engineered exclusively for Tesla drivers, paired with our official dedicated app, it enables real-time data monitoring and intelligent one-click device management. Swipower's factory-grade packaging comes with 40 amperes industrial EC8 interface and matching cable, exclusive custom storage bag, professional protection plus portable storage, tailor-made for Model S3XY, compatible with CCS and NACS protocols, direct power extraction from the vehicle with no complex modifications. Models before 2022 require CCS adaptation. For high-power appliances, please operate the 40-ampere industrial-grade EC8 interface as follows. Open the protective cover and insert the matching dedicated cable. Tighten clockwise to ensure the connector is fully inserted and secure. Once done, you can start your high-power usage. It can easily power refrigerators, lighting, and various electronic devices, providing a one-stop solution for power needs in camping, emergency, and other scenarios. When not in use, simply reverse the steps. Operation is quick and easy. Customizable discharge threshold, auto power off to protect battery. CE certified plus 20 factory tests for enhanced safety. Combined with the overall use of the device, the following is a demonstration of the complete operation process to ensure successful communication, handshake, and stable power supply. Press the power switch of the device, wait for the LED indicator to turn solid blue. If the red light blinks, charge the device first. Over temperature, over current, over voltage, under voltage, auto power off for safety. Unlock the vehicle, connect the NACS plug to the vehicle's NACS interface. Insert the discharge gun vertically into the vehicle's charging port until a click is heard, and the LED turns solid green to complete the communication handshake. When the LED indicator turns blinking green, it confirms successful discharge. You can use 120-volt stable power supply through the dual 16-ampere standard sockets for daily appliances such as laptops and camping lights, or the 40-ampere EC8 interface for high-power appliances. First, disconnect all electrical appliances, then unplug the discharge gun. Some models need to be unlocked through the vehicle screen, and finally turn off the device power switch to complete the operation. From the comfortable power supply for camping picnics to the reliable protection for emergency situations, from the convenient use of daily appliances to the stable drive of high-power equipment, Swipower V2L Discharger